Oh, welcome back to another exciting, maybe frustrating episode. So I've got that cattle dog. It's always a pain in my rear end. So she got under the new house and chewed an insulated vent pipe that connects the two parts of the house together. And so now I'm building skirting, and I was thinking about how to do it. And just the typical vinyl stuff won't keep her out. Can't take her to the pound. I mean, nobody's going to want that dog. She's going to continuously be a continuous series of disappointments. So I figured rather than do that, I wouldn't feel like a very good dog rescue person if I can't even handle my own. So we as in I decided to keep her. We'll just build this better. So this was my idea. Just frame it out, and this is like that all the way around. Those big spots, big gaps are where I'm putting in doors, but this damn thing. And then anyways, all the way around. So I'm hoping that with some of that particle board, it's like it's basically siding is I think what they sell it as, but it's a multi-purpose, this stuff. So I'm going to use it as skirting, and it really lasts forever. We've had pieces of it that we've torn down and rebuilt for goat enclosures and things like that, little chicken houses, little temporary emergency shelters and stuff. So it's really good. So I'm going to put it on the house, put it up just like drywall on a wall, so it should be pretty sturdy, and keep her out of the damn thing. So anyways, I was hoping to do some more fun videos, like some more black powder type stuff. I haven't forgotten about you, my friend. We will do the video on Spalding. I've been wanting to do that every day. It just has not worked out. I end up doing things like this. So again, thank you. Appreciate y'all tuning in. Man, stay tuned, stay salty, stay busy, stay after it, and be good, be safe, don't get caught. We'll see you. Let's see part of the damn insulation. The dog eats insulation like cotton candy. It's spicy though. It's ridiculous.